The space race has ramped up in the last decade, with private companies competing to put the first person on Mars or other galaxies. SpaceX, headed by Elon Musk, is often the first name that comes to mind when we speak about new space companies disrupting the industry. However, the future of rocket launches may not solely belong to SpaceX. Rocketlab, a relatively young company launched in 2006, has emerged as a strong competitor in the space industry. Rocketlab aims to make space exploration more attainable by sending smaller satellites to space, rather than the heavier, more extensive ones that SpaceX carries. But will Rocketlab be the game-changing competitor that SpaceX has been looking for? As we ponder the question, let's take a deeper dive into what Rocketlab does and how it compares to SpaceX. We'll examine the history of the two companies, each company's vision and goals, and the products and services offered by Rocketlab in contrast to SpaceX's offerings. Rocketlab is disrupting the aerospace industry with their Electron rocket. Rocketlab is a private aerospace company that has emerged as a disruptive force in the aerospace industry with their Electron rocket. The company has carved out a niche by focusing on small satellite launches, and their Electron rocket has proved to be a reliable and cost-effective solution. One of the key advantages of the Electron rocket is its ability to provide dedicated launches at a relatively low cost. This has made it an attractive option for companies that want to launch small satellites on their own terms. In addition, Rocketlab has pioneered the use of 3D printing technologies to manufacture rocket engines and other components, which has further reduced the cost and lead time for rocket production. While there are several other companies in the private space race, Rocketlab's innovative approach has positioned it as a strong contender in the commercial launch market. They have already completed several successful launches, including NASA missions. Rocketlab is quickly establishing itself as a major player in the space industry. They have already completed several successful launches, including NASA missions, which is an impressive feat for a company that was only founded in 2006. Their Electron rocket has been responsible for many of these successful launches, and has been designed to specifically cater to the needs of satellite launches. With their Electron rocket, Rocketlab has been able to provide affordable options for companies and governments looking to launch smaller payloads into space, which has already captured the attention of many. Though SpaceX remains a dominant player in the industry, Rocketlab's impressive track record and dedication to innovation have garnered significant attention, and raised the question of whether they could be the competitor we've been waiting for. Rocketlab focuses on small payloads, filling a gap in the market that has been underserved. Rocketlab is a space technology company that has gained significant attention in the last few years due to its unique niche focus. Unlike many other space companies, Rocketlab focuses specifically on launching small payloads, filling a gap in the market that has been underserved. The company's approach to small satellite launches has been successful so far, having launched over 100 payloads for various clients. By betting on small payloads, Rocketlab has carved out a unique niche in the market, as larger competitors like SpaceX and Blue Origin focus on larger payloads and sending people into space. This targeted approach has earned Rocketlab a loyal customer base and may make it a top contender in the space race against larger competitors. The company is also known for its innovative and cost-effective approach to space technology. When it comes to space technology, Rocketlab is making waves in the industry with its innovative and cost-effective approach. As a space company, Rocketlab specializes in designing, manufacturing, and launching small satellites. It's clear that the company has set its sights high, with founder and CEO Peter Beck's ultimate goal being to make space more accessible for all. Rocketlab's Electron rocket is a key component in making this goal a reality, as it is designed to be able to lift small satellites into orbit on a commercial scale at a more affordable price point. This approach has been a driving force behind the company's success and is garnering significant attention from the aerospace industry. With its groundbreaking achievements and customer-focused approach, Rocketlab is emerging as a strong contender as the SpaceX competitor we've been waiting for. While SpaceX remains the leader in the industry, Rocketlab is quickly gaining ground and is definitely a competitor to watch. Rocketlab, the American aerospace manufacturer, has been making some waves in the industry lately as it aims to become a serious competitor to SpaceX, the industry leader. While SpaceX is known for its reusable rockets and ambitious goals of colonizing Mars, Rocketlab has been quickly making a name for itself as a major contender in the field of small satellite launch services. Despite its relatively smaller scale compared to SpaceX, Rocketlab has already completed 20 successful missions, with plans to increase its launch frequency in the coming years. With its innovative approach and impressive track record, Rocketlab is definitely a competitor to watch in the space industry. Finally, Rocketlab is a promising and growing company that is garnering attention in the space industry. While they may not currently compete on the same scale as SpaceX, the company has made significant strides in creating cost-effective solutions for launching small satellites into space. They have a proven track record of successful launches and are expanding their capabilities with plans for reusability and larger rockets. Only time will tell if Rocketlab can truly be the SpaceX competitor we've been waiting for, but it's exciting to see a young company making waves in the industry. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.